Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Today we are reading lesson 2, Maktabatul Madrasa. Maktabatun meaning library. Maktabatul Madrasa, school library. Hadihi madrasati, this is my school. Hadihi, this, madrasati, my school. Here min akbar al-madaris fil Madina. It's one of the biggest schools in the city. Here it min akbar al-madarisi, one of the biggest schools fil madinati, in the city. وهي واقعة في وسط المدينة. It's located in the middle of the city. وهي, it is, واقعة, located, في وسط, in the middle, المدينة, the city. فيها مكتبة كبيرة, there is a big library. فيها كثير من الكتب الضرورية, and there are many necessary books والمفيدة and useful للمدرسين والطلاب, for teachers and the students. So there are many useful and necessary books for teachers and the students. يذهب الطلاب إليها في ساعتهم المخصصة للمكتب. The students are going there in their allocated time for the library. يذهب الطلاب, the students are going, إليها, there, means to the library, في ساعتهم المخصصة, in their allocated time, للمكتب, for the library. يجلسون على الكراسي, they are sitting on the chairs, أمام الطاولات, in front of the tables, في قاعة القراءة, in reading hall, لقراءة الكتب, to read the books, والصحف, and newspapers, والمجلات, and magazines. They sit on the chairs, which is in front of the tables, in the reading hall, to read the books, newspapers, and the magazines. يأخذ بعض الطلاب الكتب والجرائد والمجلات من رفوف ويقرؤونها ثم يعيدونها إليها بعد القراءة. يأخذ بعض الطلاب, some students are taking, الكتب, the books, والجرائد, the newspapers, والمجلات, magazines, من الرفوف, from the shelves. ويقرؤونها, and they read it, ثم, then, يعيدونها إليها, they return to their بعد القراءة, after reading. Some of the students are taking the books, newspapers, and magazines from the shelves. They read it, then they return to the shelves after reading. وبعضهم يقفون بجانب الرفوف للتصفح. وبعضهم, some of them, يقفون, are standing, بجانب, near, رفوف, shelves, للتصفح, to turn over the pages. Some of them are standing near the shelves to turn over the pages of the books. يأخذ الطلاب الكتب المطلوبة. يأخذ الطلاب, the students are taking, الكتب المطلوبة, the required books. The students are taking the required books. ويذهبون إلى موظف المكتب. ويذهبون, they are going, إلى موظف المكتبة, to the librarian. They are going to the librarian. الذي يعطيهم الكتب, who give them the books. الذي, who, يعطيهم, give them, الكتب, the books, مقابل بطاقة الاستعارة, as per the membership cards or readers tickets, أو بطاقة الهوية, or the ID cards. ويذهبون إلى موظف المكتبة الذي يعطيهم الكتب مقابل بطاقة الاستعارة أو بطاقة الهوية. So they are going to the librarian who give them the books as per the membership cards or the ID cards. والطلاب الذين يريدون أن يأخذوا الكتب للبيوت. والطلاب, the students, الذين يريدون, who want, أن يأخذوا الكتب, to take the books, للبيوت, to the house. The students who want to take the books to the houses عليهم أن يستعيروا, they should borrow, الكتب the books, they should borrow the books مقابل البطاقات الصادرة, as per the membership cards which is issued من المكتبة from the library. عليهم أن يستعيروا الكتب مقابل البطاقات الصادرة من المكتبة, they should borrow the books as per the membership cards which issued from the library. ثم يرد التلاميذ هذه الكتب في أذون أسبوع عموما. ثم then يرد التلاميذ, the students return هذه الكتب, these books, في أذون أسبوع, within 1 week, عموما, generally. Then the students return these books within 1 week, generally. وفي حالة عدم ردها, in case of non-returning, في الوقت المحدد, in due time, تفرض عليهم الغرامة, the fine will be imposed upon them. تفرض, impose, عليهم, upon them, الغرامة, the fine. مرة, once, لم يرد طالب من زملائي كتابا, لم يرد طالب من زملائي, a student from my classmates didn't return كتابا, a book. Once, a student from my classmates didn't return the book. أولا فصلي نبهه مدير المكتبة, the librarian warned him. أولا فصلي نبهه, warned him, مدير المكتبة, the librarian. وقال يلزم أن تعيد الكتاب غدا, وقال he said يلزم أن تعيد, you should return الكتاب, the book, غدا, tomorrow, you should return the book tomorrow. فبحث الطالب الكتاب, فبحث الطالب, the student searched الكتاب, the book, في حقيبته, in his bag, وفي بيته أيضا, and in his house also. The student searched the book in his bag and in his house also. ولكنه, but he, لم يجده, didn't see it. But he didn't see it. مضت 5 أيام في البحث. مضت, over or finish, 5 أيام, 5 days, في البحث, searching, in searching. 5 days of searching are over. ففرضت عليه الغرامة, ففرضت, imposed, عليه, upon him, الغرامة, the fine imposed upon him. بمعدل, as per 5 روبيات, بمعدل, at the rate of 5 روبيات, 5 rupees, عن كل يوم, for each day, at the rate of 5 rupees for each day. ولكن المبلغ, but the amount, كان كبيرا, that was big, للطالب, for the student. ولكن المبلغ كان كبيرا للطالب, but the amount was big for the student. فرفعت القضية, the problem raised, رفعت, raised, قضية, problem. إلى ناظر المدرسة, to the headmaster. So the problem raised to the headmaster. فصفح عنه الغرامة, صفح عنه, he forgave him, الغرامة, the fine, he forgave him the fine. أما المدرسون, but the teachers, فيزورونها, they visit there, في ساعتهم الفارغة, in their free time. But the teachers visit there in their free time. ويقرؤون الصحف والمجلات, ويقرؤون, they read, الصحف, newspapers, والمجلات, the magazine, they read newspapers and magazines. ويستعيرون الكتب مقابل بطاقة الاستعارة, ويستعيرون, they borrow, الكتب, the books, مقابل, as per, بطاقات الاستعارة, the membership cards, they borrow the books as per the membership cards. وتعير لهم المكتبة الكتب, وتعير لهم المكتبة, the library, lend them الكتب, the books, لأسبوعين for 2 weeks. The library lent them the books for 2 weeks. وإذا تأخروا, if they late, فلا تفرض عليهم, it's not imposed upon them al-uramatu, the fine. So if they late, there is no fine imposed upon them. Thank you.